We arrived at the Denali South Viewpoint. Gonna go check it out, see if we can't see Mount Denali. Or a bear. We just picked Maria up from the airport and we're heading to the Kenai Peninsula, and this drive is so beautiful. Isn't it pretty, Corbs? You want to say anything? It's so pretty. So pretty. Hi, Maria. Hi. The drive into the Kenai Peninsula down the Turnagain Arm is one of the most beautiful drives we have ever been on in this journey. You are right along the water, and there's just these massive mountains and glaciers just right alongside you. It's amazing. We are at the Kenai Fjords Tour this morning. Taking the Alaskan Explorer.
Morning, welcome. Morning. Good morning. Thank you.
So cute. I love little coastal towns. Got little visitors that came to wave us off. Hey, Corbs. Did you find donuts?
Donuts make me go nuts.
Hey, Mosey.
Who is that?
Thank y'all for coming out, boys.
Spread it out, go around your head like this. Bring it all the way back around your body. Put the touch straight in front. Nice and long. Very long.
That'll be really fun to go there. It is!
We're shut down.
We went on the Northwestern Fjord Tour, which is a 9-hour all-day tour. It did not feel like 9 hours though. The time flew by and we had so much fun just witnessing all of the wildlife and glaciers and just cruising through the national park. It was truly one of the highlights of our trip to Alaska.
You see a sea lion with a brand that starts with an E. That means that that sea lion was born here at Chiswell Island and has returned as an adult to breed.
So amazing. Isn't it amazing? It's beautiful. The blue is indescribable. It's like royal blue. It's so crazy. We sat in the glacier bay for about 30 minutes so we could watch the glaciers calve into the water, and at one point we saw a massive avalanche just come pouring down the side of one of the glaciers. It was so spectacular. The amount of wildlife we saw during our day was absolutely amazing. The birds were awesome, the puffins were so cute, but the whales stole the show. It was so amazing to watch the humpbacks and orcas.
Okay, cool. Home with the Hoopers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.